Hello and welcome to the Broken Doll, and we're here today to put the eyelashes back into the Shirley Temple doll's eyes. Now I've done one already so that you can see. That's the joy of having two eyes, because you can practice on one and then show the other. So anyways, what did I do? Well, I took my lashes here, kind of measured by eye inside, and I overcut a little bit. And when you do that, then you're able to snip it down till you find the right size. Before you would glue them in, cut a second one, measure it up to your thing like this. This is what I did. I took it like this, put it on top, and then cut again. You don't need to cut all the way down, just this little snip at the top here where they're glued together. Your lashes are glued together. Just cut that top off, and then you got the same size, and that way you know your eyes are going to be your eyelashes are going to be accurate on both sides. So I'm using tacky glue. I've already glued this one in. So now we're going to take it, and this is where they used to insert up inside the lashes up in here. We can't use that anymore because they don't make lashes like that anymore. I wish they did, but they don't. And so anyways, we're left with kind of our own doing our own thing here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this here like this. Now I'm just using one of these. These are great for this here. I almost thought, why did I buy these at first? But I'm finding my places with them. And I just dunk it down inside. I get a little bit of glue. And I'm going up in here to this rim up in here. Now where did I put that second? Oh, I put it on top of here. Okay, I couldn't see it. All right, so we're going to go up in here and we're going to put some glue all up in here. You might have to over glue it a bit. Okay, I hope you're seeing this. I'm right in the right place. Then we're going to let these dry. There we go. A little bit more yet. I think I did about 3 dollars in here. I see an old lash. Let's get that out of there. I don't want that interfering with what we're doing. Okay. And one thing about tacky glue, it is water cleanup again, so very easy to take care of. If you get glue on anything else, you know, you can deal with it very easily. Okay, there we go. We got a lot of nice glue up in there. So I inserted these. You want them in the up fashion. Gee, I just put my finger right in there. Okay, I got enough glue. Let me put one more dollop. I just put my finger right inside the eye, which where I didn't want to put it. All right, let's just do this one more time. Use another. I just took some glue out. There we go. All right, that looks nice. Turn it around in such a way that you don't go up inside. And I'm going to put this inside. Have a little set of tweezers nearby too, because you're going to need them a little bit just to this way. Now this is where you take the glue strip off. I'm not using that glue strip because I want them in the up position. So maybe I'll go like this with them. Hopefully you're seeing all this. Okay, I'm going to go up like this inside. Like I say, you're just going to manipulate it in such a way. There we go. And I used the back handle to deal with it. My hands are shaky. I'm nervous doing this here. There we go. There we are. Okay, they laid down nice inside there. Just kind of put a little bit of pressure on them. There they are. Now when they dry, this dries, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay some more glue on top of that as well. Okay, but right now I just want them to dry like this. Okay, so there they are. They are now, Shirley Temple has eyelashes. I hope you were able to see that. We'll get that over here more so you can see that. Let's see. I hope you got to see that. That was an exciting little adventure there. Getting Shirley Temple's eyelashes in. They look beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Very nice. It's nice when you can take the eyes apart, get inside there, and put those lashes right in there. But I thought you would like to see that. I thought that was very exciting to see. Another step done towards getting her eyes back together. Next, what we'll be gluing is her irises. I just don't want to play around with this and knock those out. In some ways, okay, cart before the horse. Maybe I should have done these next, put her irises in. But hey, that's Tammy's world you're in, and how I do some things here. But yeah, there we go. And I hope you like what you're seeing. So far, so good. We'll get those in there. Well, not right now. I don't want to get them in and can't get them out. But anyhow, there we are. Let's not disturb that right now. Let that sit, let it dry. Tacky glue does not take long to dry. This is what I use. If you want to know, I just use the original tacky glue. There you go. So throw this away. Those are wonderful, those little wands. I really like them for certain things. At first I thought, why did I buy them? Did I really need them, you know? I do that a lot with stuff afterwards. But hey, yeah, that's just how it worked. You know, just like when I bought a bag of scissors from the Value Village, and I got a lot of these little scissors in there. I just love these little scissors. I got about 3 little scissors and some nice sewing scissors. Things that you find at those thrift stores is wonderful, and I've used them more than a little when it comes to stuff just like this here. And I only paid like $3.99 for the bag of scissors. You know, I just keep my eyes peeled. I'm always going into the sewing section and looking around for little tools that I can use. So, but there you go. I hope you like what you're seeing. More to come, and we'll be talking to you again soon. Bye-bye.